Hello, this will be just a very quick demo how to install EDAP Tools version 5 onto the newly released Animate 2020. So when you open the program, you don't create a file. Just from the start screen, go to the commands menu and choose run command. Then point to the install uninstall EDAP script, which in this case is just on the desktop in an unzipped folder that you downloaded from our website, and you press open. Then you go OK. The tools install, you get some confirmation here, and then you need to press quit. Animate closes, and then you restart the program. You get the welcome to EDAP Tools screen. You press OK. And then you create a blank new file. Here in the output, you get the confirmation that the tools have been installed, and something that is specific to this version of Animate is that they've made the toolbar flexible. So you click on the three dots here and you find the Kineflex tool here, and you just drag it below the free transform tool. And finally you go to the edit menu, keyboard shortcuts, and you choose EDAP CC shortcuts version 5. Press OK, and then all the commands are here and the panels are here. So Smart Graphic Control, Smart Magnet Rig, and Symbol Palette Control. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching.